major functions of the large intestine are absorption of water, some electrolytes and vitamins made by enteric bacteria, and defecation, which is the evacuation of food residues from the body. What is finally delivered to the large intestine contains few nutrients, but it still has 12 to 24 hours more to spend there. Except for a small amount of digestion of residue by the enteric bacteria, no further food breakdown occurs in the large intestine. The large intestine harvests vitamins made by the bacterial flora and reclaims most of the remaining water and some of the electrolytes, particularly sodium and chloride. However, nutrient absorption is not its major function. The primary concerns of the large intestine are propulsive activities that force fecal material towards the anus and eliminate it from the body, a process called defecation. The defecation reflex is triggered when feces enters the rectum. It involves parasympathetic reflexes leading to contraction of the rectal walls and is aided by Valsalva's maneuver. The large intestine is important for our comfort, but it is not essential for life. If the colon is removed, as may be necessitated by colon cancer, the terminal ileum is brought out to the abdominal wall in a procedure called an ileostomy. From there, food residues are eliminated into a sac attached to the abdominal wall. Another surgical technique, ilioanal juncture, links the ileum directly to the anal cavity.